so pretty in here. She just wants to sleep. She's so cute. She's just taking a little nap. Shakes you awake. Wake up! Aww. Bugs you. Continues to bug you. Oh my god! Who is she reaching for? Is she reaching for me? I'll wake you up, my sweet. Yes, I love making coffee for beautiful women. Here you go, Mita. I'm also drink water. Yummers. Ah, she's stretching. My character's in the freaking way. Oh, she's not stretching. So can you help me? Oh, okay. Oh, she's so helpful. She's so sleepy and cute. Oh, she's asleep. Wake up! Wake up! Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go, Mita. Come on. Get up! You're useless! Get up! Okay, come on. Oh, you're so sleepy. Come on. One more there. One more there. Come on. Come on. Wake up! Stop sleeping! Wake! Oh, come on. Come on, right here. You ready? Pull the lever. Thank you, Mita. The door is so slow. Good night, Mita.